Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw a crocodile, and we will also get some message with the story of monkey and crocodile. So let's start. We will learn the crocodile drawing in steps. So draw one standing line, then another standing line and join these two. That is our step number 1. One standing line, another standing line and join these two. Step number 2, same thing we will draw here. One standing line, little far away, another standing line. Join them with the smooth corners, very smooth corners. Then from here and here, mark 2 dots. Mark 1 dot here and draw this. So step number 3, one standing line, another standing line, join them with smooth curves. Draw this much part like you have done earlier and join a smooth curve here and draw a big O and one line here and other line here. So we'll draw one line here, one line here. We'll join with the curve. We'll mark one dot here, one dot here. We will bring this. Here we are going to draw a big O, very big O. Here we are going to draw a half circle. And here, this is our step number 4. So we are drawing this line little smaller this time and we are drawing this bigger. Now from here we are joining these. Here I'm going to draw a big O. Here I'm going to draw a big semicircle and here is the one of the feet. And we all know that crocodile has a tail. So this is the tail of crocodile. In 6th step, we are drawing this in this way. We are drawing a line here. Just draw a line here. Then draw the curve. O, semicircle, feet. Start the tail with one of the end of O and bring it here. In 7th, there is not much difference as 6th, but only thing is we are skipping this line and here we are showing a curve. Here also we are showing a curve. Rest is all same. So now we are making the mouth of our crocodile. So 8th one is, see, now we know the shape. This part which we drew, we'll draw with little curves. And here also we'll show some curves. Here, this O we made, that will come, O and circle will become a feet. And they are web feet, so join them. Join them like this. Then this part, which we were drawing the line, is another feet. Here you show the curve and show little curve here and let it join here. Now we will show the eye of crocodile. Now in the tail show one curve and this line we will erase and we will make it like this. Here we'll show the lines. This side also will show some long line, oval, because crocodile's skin is like this. Then here also we will show some curves. Here this part is coming, this line will go like this and it will have, and now we can sharpen its mouth. Crocodile has a big mouth and it has very sharp teeth. And here it will have small crocodile's skin is rough. Okay, so now let me tell you the story of crocodile and monkey. Once upon a time, a clever monkey resided on a tree that bore fresh berries. A day arrived when a crocodile swam up to the tree and told the monkey that he had traveled a very long distance and I'm very tired and I'm very hungry. So monkey was very nice person. He thought this crocodile is very tired and very hungry. I should give him some berries. So he plucked some berries from the tree and he gave them to crocodile. Crocodile ate them. They were very tasty and crocodile said, "Thank you very much." So this became a daily routine. Crocodile asked monkey, "Can I come tomorrow again and get some more fruit?" Monkey said yes. Crocodile came back the next day and the day after that, every day he started coming. Very soon, they became good friends. They become very good friends. As all friends do, they discuss the everyday life. They discussed their families, everything they started discussing. Then one day, Crocodile told the monkey about his wife who lived on the other side of the river. The monkey was very generous. He said, "Okay, today you take some extra berries for your wife also." So monkey gave some extra berries to Crocodile. He took them for his wife and she also enjoyed. Because of how close the two friends had become, the crocodile's wife started growing jealous. She started thinking that nowadays my husband is thinking only about the monkey. And she thought this monkey is eating every day these sweet berries. So this monkey's flesh must be really sweet. So she asked the crocodile to invite his friend over to dinner. Can you imagine? The crocodile's wife is inviting monkey for the dinner. So crocodile immediately understood that she is going to eat this monkey. That's why she is inviting this monkey. But crocodile had nothing in his hands. He went to monkey's tree and lied to him, saying that his wife had prepared them a delicious dinner. The monkey happily agreed and climbed onto the crocodile's back. And they began to swim. Halfway through, the monkey noticed that crocodile is feeling very uncomfortable. So he asked him, "What happened, friend? Why you are so uncomfortable?" Then crocodile couldn't control and he said, "See, dear friend, monkey, my wife wants to eat your heart. She is not well and doctor told her that if you will eat monkey's heart, you will become all right. So that is why I am taking you to my house." Monkey said, "Oh, it's okay. She wants to eat my heart. But you should have told me earlier. I left the heart on the tree. My heart is still on the tree. So let's go back and I will get my heart from the tree so that your wife can eat." Crocodile couldn't understand that monkey is very smart. He started swimming back towards the tree, and as soon as they reached the other side of the river, monkey jumped and climbed the tree. And now monkey was on the tree and crocodile was in the water. So monkey was safe. So monkey was intelligent and Then monkey told crocodile that please tell your wife that I am not coming for dinner to your house. She's planning to kill me, but I'm not coming to your house. So isn't it monkey was intelligent, children? What do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
So what do we learn from this? Monkey never got nervous. He never got scared. He was actually very clever. He remained calm, knowing that crocodile could eat him in between the river also. Crocodile is very powerful. Monkey is not so powerful. In front of crocodile, monkey is nothing. But isn't it? He remained very calm. Isn't it presence of mind which helped the monkey?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think?
Yes.
Anytime any problem comes, we should be smart enough to tackle and we should save ourselves from any such harm. So that's what we learn from this story. Did you like the story?
Yes.
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 Yes, ma'am.
So what is the moral? Moral is to remain calm in tough situation and by thinking intelligently, quietly, come out of that difficult situation. Thank you, children. I hope you're watching the videos which I'm posting. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.